Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Mindbody Business app works and what it offers for wellness professionals and business owners. It's designed to help manage appointments, client communication, payments, and overall business operations for salons, spas, fitness centers, and wellness studios. The Mindbody Business app allows staff and owners to view and update schedules in real time. To access the schedule, tap the Schedule tab on the bottom menu. From there, you can tap on any appointment to view details or make adjustments. To create a new appointment, tap the plus icon, select the service, choose a client, and confirm the time. It also supports managing multiple staff calendars, so you can easily assign services to different employees. For client management, tap the Clients tab. You can search for existing clients, view their history, or add new profiles by entering their contact details and preferences. Communication is streamlined through built-in email and text messaging features. This helps businesses quickly confirm bookings, send reminders, and follow up after visits directly through the app. To manage sales and checkouts, go to the Point of Sale section. Here, you can complete transactions, apply discounts, and track product inventory. Payment processing is integrated, and the app accepts credit cards, mobile wallets, and stored account balances. Owners can also view revenue reports, filter by date, and track staff performance. This makes it easier to analyze growth and daily earnings without needing extra software. The main benefits of the app include its all-in-one functionality, which helps reduce manual tasks, and its sync with the main Mindbody system. However, some users mention that the app can occasionally lag, especially when handling large client databases or during updates. Others note that while the design is useful, it takes time to learn all features, and the app occasionally logs out unexpectedly. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com, mailto tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.